Today we're going to be looking at the multi-word selection function of SpinnerChief, which is yet another way of rewriting an article, and it's so easy that you really don't even need a video. But we have some text here, so let's rewrite it using the multi-word selection function. So click on the multi-word selection function down here at the bottom, and we have to select a sentence. So I just select the first sentence, and immediately down here appear some boxes with the original sentence written here titled in blue. So all I have to do now is pick the synonyms I want as I go along. So if you're consuming much less to reduce body weight quickly without, just scroll down for the next one, exercising. Now I've done that sentence, so I just update the article and hit next sentence, which highlights the next sentence there, and it's also written here at the top, so I just have to pick the synonyms that I want. And you can pick multiple synonyms, so where it says you need to be sure that, you could say you have to be, you should be, you ought to be. You could have as many synonyms there as you want. Sure, the calories you're eating will be very good types. Update article. You can see the multiple synonyms here have gone in that we put in earlier. Updated, so we click next sentence. Processed foods, so highly processed food items. Update. Next sentence. So you get into a rhythm and it becomes second nature. Sugars, so we'll just have all kinds of sugars. Update. Next sentence. And all other unnecessary foods must be cut out. And also all the unneeded food items should be, we've got synonyms for cut and out, and they're not going to make sense, so I'll have to leave cut out. Update article. Next sentence. You need to be consuming enough protein. You should be eating sufficient proteins. Update. Next sentence. Carbs. I'm sure you get the picture now. Fat. Next sentence. Minerals and vitamins to help keep your system operating effectively. Update. Next sentence. If you're not careful, if you're not really watchful. Update. Next sentence. You'll encounter intense food cravings, discomfort. Update. Next paragraph. Sorry. So I hit previous paragraph. And possibly even trouble concentrating, and perhaps also difficulty mentally focusing. Update. Next sentence. An eating plan such as this is actually not possible to keep up permanently. That's it. Update the article, and let's spin out. Here we are, 89.47% unique according to the SpinnerChief rate. So if we just spin that, use the default thesaurus, we'll have one article amount, and we'll have don't use the original word, so we just have a brand new article. Click OK for that. SpinnerChief spins it, and there's the results. Now let's just read it and see whether it makes sense or not. If you're consuming much less to reduce body weight quickly without exercising, you should be sure that the calories you're eating will be very good types. Highly processed food items, all kinds of sugar, and also the unneeded food items should be cut out. You should be eating sufficient proteins, carbs, fat, minerals and vitamins to help keep your system operating effectively. If you're not really watchful, you'll encounter intense food cravings, discomfort and perhaps also difficulty mentally focusing. And eating plans such as this is actually not possible to keep up permanently. So you can see that's 100% human readable, and it was very, very fast, just choosing the synonyms as you go along. That's another way of quickly rewriting an article.